Hi everyone, Gagajoy's cooking, and today we're going to make a little pasta dish, which I love pasta, you know that. My water's boiling. I'm using angel hair pasta. It's called spaghetti, sausage, and peppers. How much better can you be than that? This is, I'm just cutting my sausage up. This is smoked turkey. You can get any kind you like. I particularly picked this one because it wasn't hot. And my little great-grandson will probably be eating it more than anybody. And I didn't want him to, you know, get something hot in his mouth. And then just peppers, julienne, while the spaghetti gets ready. And let's stir it. It's usually ready by the time the spaghetti, the peppers and sausage is usually ready by the time the spaghetti is, because it doesn't take very long to do it. Let's get that going. And you know, pretty peppers, just I think they're just there to make everything prettier. Except I've got plenty in my old garden, I can't find peppers this year. It may be that it's just not quite ready for them to be sending them in. I hope that's the reason anyway. Some onion in there. What would a mixture be without onion? I looked the other day and had 2 onions in my bin. I thought, emergency. That's one thing that I always keep plenty of. Now, before I put my peppers in here and sausage, I put about a tablespoon of just plain old virgin olive oil, just regular olive oil, and it'll be fine. You're just barely going to. Decided to get out of the pot. Look how pretty it looks. A minute more. Now I'm using Hunt's diced tomatoes. You can, that's, for this one, it'll work. I usually, and 1 tablespoon of garlic. I just put 2 high teaspoons. I don't like to much use the canned garlic, but it comes in handy sometimes, especially when the garlic on the counter at Walmart looks so bad. Just put some salt in it. About a teaspoon right now. I'm putting more in a minute. So let's put a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Made it well, just a little bit better. Oh, as usual, onions, peppers, and garlic. They should make a perfume and things like that. I don't know who would wear it, but might be come in handy. Get those tomatoes in there. Now, it calls for 2 cans of tomatoes, which would have normally been 32 ounces, but I've got a 28-ounce can, and if it's not enough liquid, I'll put some tomato juice in it. Okay, I just drained my pasta. Put it in my spaghetti bowl. Just continue with this one. Oh my goodness, looks so good. Put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drops of sriracha. Taste and see if we have enough salt in it. Yeah, I think it is enough. Sure seems like it is. But I am going to put some tomato juice, I think, in it. Not going to be enough liquid, I don't think, for all that spaghetti. Maybe a cup. Then that would sort of make up for the lost volume with my tomatoes. All these, this pasta's going to go in there. I'll try to let them marinate a little while together, but I think they're done. I cannot tell you what this smells like. It is, it's too good to be true. Well, I think we covered it all. Here's this spaghetti. I'm not going to put any cheese on it because a lot of people don't like cheese on their spaghetti now. I don't know why. But I do it a lot of times I don't either. So. Well, now we got a big bowl of spaghetti for supper. Hope you try it because look how easy it was. Just 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Have a good evening. Remember the joy. A lot of people hurting. Take care of yourself. See you soon.